Ecoforest presents its new air source model with natural refrigerant R290. A 24 kilowatt air source heat pump with a new design that improves efficiency and significantly reduces noise levels. Now the ecoAIR is quieter, more powerful and features an attractive design. It is perfect for building renovations and replacing old systems. The new ecoAIR 24 Pro from Ecoforest uses a natural refrigerant, propane. Propane has a low global warming potential, making it a safe bet for the future of climate control. Heat pumps are the present and future solution for replacing heating systems that use fossil fuels, contributing to a cleaner planet, reducing heating costs by up to 70% and eliminating dependence on fossil fuels and their price fluctuations. More versatile equipment, hot water production of up to 70 degrees, allowing for the direct replacement of boiler rooms. More efficient, Ecoforest software management enables heat pumps to integrate seamlessly with photovoltaic systems, maximizing self-consumption. Thanks to the inbuilt energy manager, we use exactly the photovoltaic surplus available at any given time. We are expanding our air source range up to 24 kilowatts with propane, perfectly adapting to any climate control needs. From small homes to large commercial installations or entire buildings. With the ability to install cascades of up to 6 units, we can reach up to 144 kilowatts, efficiently modulating from 6 kilowatts. Join the R290 revolution.